everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tiinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my used car vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Jeep Rubicon. Now this is a Jeep Wrangler and it is the Unlimited edition. As you can see, it does come with our back tinted windows and custom wheels. When we get in the car, we can see that we do have black leather seating. It does have 29,249 miles. We do have heated seats, a standard radio, and a fairly large back seat. Also, as you know, the top does come off on this Wrangler. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day.